In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Instagram algorithm. So let's go to Instagram, and you want to go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner. That way you can go to the three bars at the top right corner. Once this loads up, you want to scroll down until you find what you see, and you want to go under Content Preferences. So at the very top, you want to go ahead to your algorithm. And what this is used for is that you can actually tailor what you want to see on Instagram. You can add things. You can also, what you choose to see less of, you can also add things in there. That way Instagram can recommend and kind of navigate what you like, and that way you can see what you like. You can go ahead and add some of these options here, but you can also go ahead and click and hold, and you'll get the option to remove an interest as well. So we can go ahead and take some of these out, and then that would be a permanent thing to reset your algorithm or just to tailor made it. What you can also do is back out of here, and you want to go into the interest section. You can add posts that you're interested in, and this way Instagram knows to recommend those things. And you can also go ahead and add things in the not interested category as well. The last thing you can do is go ahead and reset your suggested content. Go ahead and click that. And from here, it'll just give you a fresh start. It'll reset everything, reset your explore page. So go ahead and hit next, and then go ahead and hit reset suggested content. And then Instagram is going to look a lot different from that point forward. But that kind of gives you a very clean look and a clean start with Instagram based on your interests and things like that. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and reset your algorithm on Instagram.